Incarcerated senior all-parties Hurriyat Conference leader Naeem Ahmed Khan, while condemning the Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party government's political, religious and cultural onslaught on the people of Jammu and Kashmir, has said that unity within the rank and file of the all-parties Hurriyat Conference is the only way to foil the apartheid regime's evil designs. In a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, Naeem Ahmed Khan said that BJP's hostile policy on Kashmir is driven by its racial bias, Hindutva and its zeal for turning India into a Hindu Rashtra. Modi-led Hindutva regime has disallowed Muslims from offering Eid ul-Fitr prayers at the historic Jamia masjid in Srinagar on Saturday. Indian Army troops, paramilitary and police personnel were deployed in Nohatta areas of the city to prevent people from offering Eid prayers in the Grand Mosque of the territory. Earlier, people raised "Go India, Go Back" and "We Want Freedom" slogans during the Fajr prayers today. All-party Hurriyat Conference leaders Khadim Hussain and Sayyid Sibte Shabir Kummi have greeted the Kashmiri Muslims on the occasion of Eid ul-Fitr, urging them to take care of the needy and orphans. Khadim Hussain and Sayyid Sibte Shabir Kummi, in a joint statement issued in Srinagar, said that the true Eid of the freedom-loving Muslims of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir will be when they are freed from the Indian subjugation. Indian troops arrested over a dozen civilians during the ongoing cordon and search operation in Poonch district. The troops arrested civilians in Bhatta Duriya, Bimbar Gali and other areas of the district in connection in the name of investigation into a case regarding Thursday's attack on an Indian Army vehicle which killed 5 Indian soldiers in Bhatta Duriya on the highway in Poonch. On the other hand, the troops continued massive cordon and search operation in Poonch and Rajouri districts on the third consecutive day today. They cordoned off the entire area while drones, military choppers and sniper dogs were used in the operation. Strongly reacting to the acquittal of the Hindu murderers of 11 Muslims, the Dal Khalsa lashed out at the BJP government in India, saying the development is a grim reminder of how the majority and minority communities are treated by the communal Indian government. Disaster Management Authority has issued an avalanche warning for 7 districts during the next 12 hours. The avalanche with low danger level is likely to occur. Disaster Management Authority has issued an avalanche warning for 7 districts during the next 12 hours. The avalanche with low danger level is likely to occur above 2500 to 3200 meters above the sea level over Doda, Kishtwar, Poonch, Ramban, Baramulla, Kupwara districts in the next 12 hours, the official statement said.